Good morning, my students. Year 8. We are studying now the meaning of magnetism. Magnetism, any substance can be magnetized by different methods. If you have a permanent magnet and needles approach to it, the magnet attracts the needles or steel papers attracted to magnet. This needle attract another one, and this attract another one. This means that magnetic field of the magnet transfer to the third one, while this is magnetized and transfer magnetic field to the second transfer to the third transfer to the fourth, and so on. The first method which used to make a magnet, number one, is called bi-magnetic induction. Bi-magnetic induction. When material like iron or steel attracted to the magnet, it becomes magnet too. It becomes magnet too. And it can attract other magnetic materials. This is called magnetic induction. This is called magnetic induction, like this and this. Soft iron, magnetic material. Iron is called soft iron, our soft magnetic material. Iron is called soft magnetic material. Soft magnetic material because it loses its magnetism after a certain time. It becomes demagnetized, or when removing the electromagnet, it loses its magnetism, while steel, like this steel paper clips, is called hard magnetic material. There is two types of materials, iron and steel. Iron, soft magnetic material, steel, hard magnetic material. It returns its magnetism after removing the magnetic pole. This is called permanent magnet, not temporary magnet. The second method which can be used to magnetize is called stroking or hammering. Stroking or hammering. This is a north pole of the magnet. Move in one direction on the piece of steel. The piece of steel converted into magnet, stroking steel pi, a strong magnetic field at the same direction, the pole at the end of the stroking opposite to the magnetizing pole. Hammering steel bar called magnetic field is called magnetic field. It changes into magnet. This is the second method. The third method is called electrical method. When a steel bar is placed inside a solenoid, like this steel bar, this is the steel bar, this is the steel, connected with the source of electricity is called battery. Battery is DC source. The current can be classified in two types, DC or AC. AC cannot be changed in this state because alternating current, variable magnetic field cancel each other, while direct current produces magnetic field in one direction, not in two directions. So the steel attract and concentrate the magnetic field and convert it into magnet, has ability to attract the needles, other needles. When we go away, this needle does not attract to it because when we go away, the magnetic field decreases. This is called direct current. Direct current will be magnetized. This is apparatus is called electromagnet, which is used in many applications. Electromagnet like relay switch, electric bell, moving heavy containers from on ships. This is the third method to use electric method or electromagnet. The magnetic field. Inside the solenoid, this is called solenoid. The magnetic field inside the solenoid represented by similar or parallel lines, while outside in the form of curved lines. The magnetic field inside it is strong, while when we go away, the magnetic field is a weak magnetic field because we move away from the magnet. Inside the magnet, magnetic field lines similar to paramagnet. The strength of the electromagnet increases by increasing electric current by increasing electric current intensity, because current intensity is stream of electrons. Electrons produces magnetic field, so electric current produces magnetic field. Or by increasing the number of turns of the solenoids. Number of turns of the solenoid increases the magnetic field. Increasing current intensity, increasing the magnetic field. This is solenoid can be used to determine the direction of the magnetic field. If this solenoid connected with a battery, this is the north pole and this is the south pole. Current transfer from positive to negative and returns back to negative in closed path. This rule is called Ampere right hand rule. Ampere right hand rule is called if the other fingers of right hand points to the direction of the current. This is the direction of the current, I. This is the direction of the current. The thumb will point to the direction of the north pole of the magnet. Another time, Ampere right hand rule. If the other fingers of right hand points to the direction of the current, the thumb will point to the direction of the north pole. This means that the pole produced of the magnet can be using right hand strong or right hand, or another method, Maxwell screw rule or Ampere right hand rule. This is the current is called conventional current. Conventional current when the current transfers from positive to negative, while the modern current when the current transfers from negative to positive, Give some applications about this. The relay switch. Example, when the first switch is closed, what happens? Electric current flow in the circuit. Through the circuit of the coil, electromagnet, it becomes electromagnet. When the current flow through it, it becomes electromagnet. The electromagnet attracts iron armature. This is called iron armature, which attracted to it. Electromagnet attracts iron, which pushes the contacts. The current flow in the second circuit due to contact. This is used magnetic effect of electric current, allowing a small current to switch on the large current. This is another example. When the current in the relay coil increases, the iron core inside the coil magnetized increases and attracts switch S, closing other circuit and allowing the capacitor to operate the circuit. This is the idea of the switch can be used electromagnet in different experiments. Goodbye and good luck, my students.